I just missed the best bit of footage.
What?
Of you.
What?
Ah, you know.
Like, I don't even want to breathe.
I farted.
It was like.
You farted too.
No, I definitely didn't.
I can't deal with this conversation.
Mate.
Why is everyone going to bed? Everyone's leaving us.
Good for us then, because there's... Oh, where's the garlic bread?
There is literally... We had so much and it's all gone. Open that. Open that. There's nothing left. There's nothing left, everyone. We've eaten it all. And people are going to wake up in the morning, there's going to be nothing less for them to eat because it's all gone. There's 2 slices. There's 2 slices, now there's 1 slice.
I can see where the camera is.
Yeah, you can. Of course you can.
Put the flap down. You zoomed all the way.
Have I? Oh, is that my nose? Your nose.
Write in the comments below.
Like and subscribe. Garlic. Special garlic. But it's actually gross, there's nothing special about it. It's fucking rank.
Okay, the fucking...
Oh. There's nobody to be seen.
Hello?
It's zoomed in again.
Should we give them a house tour? As if we're coming through the front.
As if it's our crib. Don't lock us out. How do you put a lock on? No, right, just hold it. Here we go.
Welcome to my crib.
There's pizza on the lens, I think. Oh! Welcome to your crib! Hey, girl!
Here I am!
Hey! Okay, this is room 1.
That's enough!
We're doing a house tour.
This is the corridor, so...
This is the corridor.
If you follow me...
This is room 3, which is our room. Oh. Wait, can you guys just wake up just real quick?
Sorry.
Can you just wake up really quick just for the house tour? Alright, this is Hannah. This is Hannah. She's been
in my face.
and this is Katie Wood.
Someone is gonna get hit.
Katie Wood and Hannah. This is my bed. All fresh. That's Kate K's hair extensions on the side.
Do that.
What?
One of their rooms.
Yeah, let's do it. This is Frankie's bed. She's been mugged off big time. Bye, babes. We'll be back soon.
Don't come back. She's gonna do that. They can leave the door open so I can hear.
This is the
Pantry.
In case you haven't realised, where are you? The theme is the Beatles, which is, you know, as we're in stop. As we're in Liverpool, that is the ongoing theme. Okay.
What is that on for?
We're gonna zoom.
My best.
We're gonna go and talk to the girls.
Lucy, you're dead meat.
What? Look at these girls up, acting like they're not interested, but really they're not even going to sleep because we're doing the tour. You guys want a feature, don't you? Look at her. She's hanging off the bed. She's so bad. She wants a feature. Let's go in. Right. Who are we gonna wake up? Who's gonna be the funniest to annoy? Lucia and KK. Alright, I'm actually scared. Are you nervous? You do it, double day. You do it and I'll just supervise. You're a terrible friend. You're a terrible friend. Where's Frankie? Where is she gone? Oh, she's there.
If I was asleep, you get banged.
Oh, not Hannah on the floor. Alright, should we let them sleep? I'm a bit concerned. We're not gonna we won't have any friends tomorrow.
We'll show you their room.
Oh, that's actually so gross that you're eating the garlic dip.
Lucy, come here. We'll show you their rooms tomorrow.
Oh, help. Help.
Yeah.
Help me.
Oh my god, you're heavy. Oh my god.
Go away.
Right.
I'm not staying in this room again. Again.
Oh my god.
What have I been left with?
People.
Lucy, that ain't your bed.
Nice. No. Look at Aunt and Hannah's bed. What?
It's genuine.
It's all that garlic dip. Oh, away. Oh my god. I was like.
Go on.
I'm gonna kill you. Frankie has to wake up if you're waking up at 6 AM tomorrow. I will never forgive you. No, seriously, I'm not gonna be able to cope.
No, don't wake us up at 6 because I'll punch you.
What are you talking to?
Frankie,
You wake up at 6, you go in the sofa and...
Someone else do the party.
Oh.
You want me to call the spirits?
Annie used to pretend she knew how to call the spirit. I know. Oh my god, no! I just remembered it. The way you did that little movement down the wall.
What is she talking about?
She was freaking out so bad. She was like, no.
Should we prank call Luke?
Well, who are you with?
Is he gonna be awake?
But Frankie, I don't want you using it.
Please, talk about it in the morning.
Hello. Excuse me? No, seriously. No, seriously. Hello?
No.
Oh my fucking god, he's answered. Oh my god. Who was that? That ain't making it, Frankie.
The next must be thinking, my god, loser of a girlfriend.
Hello, Hans. We're on the bus. Our Uber wasn't coming, so bus
paid more to get on a bus than we would have paid to get in an Uber.
But it's an adventure. We're having so much fun. Oh my god! Oh, look at the seagull. Don't really know when to get off, so hello, hun. So last night we went to. Oh, hello. So last night we went to.
Magaloo.
Yeah, Magaloo. There's promoters.
She bought a drink, you got this shitty cocktail.
I thought it was yum. I had yours. Did you? Yeah. Right, see ya, because we've got to concentrate because I don't know where we are. We're lost.
Ciao.
Hello.
Don't get me on it.
Hey girls. We finally made it to the group. Hey.
Round 2, here we go.
Whoa.
Get out there.
I wasn't camera ready.
Hey,
Hey, huh? Your makeup looks nice. Makeup by.
Are you taking a picture? Oh.
Tune. Yay!
You're
Wow.
so funny, I literally can't. Don't accept wrong. There's a spelling mistake in the car, isn't there?
You're actually rude.
It's alright. It's alright, thank you.
It's alright.
I know, sometimes it's like,
Here's the video now.
Oh god, it's on my face. Oh wait, my hair, wait. I can see you, Helen.
Snake skinny gold.
I'm sure they love me. Too excited for mansion.
So excited!
Get it, girl.
Hi everyone. So it's it's 3 o'clock in the morning. We've just got in. We went to Mansion tonight and then we went to the local kebab shop. We got some chips and gravy. Lucy and Frankie, Hannah and Megan haven't come home yet. Can't keep up with them. I'm so old. But when they do come home, they're gonna wake me up. So me and Katie decided to put Frankie's bed up so she doesn't wake us up.
Oh my god, this not even burn. What are you talking about?
That is so bad.
It's not even burn. What the fuck?
Do your photos. Good morning, Hans. How are we feeling?
Not good.
I feel great.
I don't know how. Lol.
I don't even know what to say.
We had the best weekend.
You mentioned the fact that it's 9:30.
Oh, it's 9:30 in the morning. We've got to be out in like 10 minutes.
I've got a Krispy Kreme donut.
Oh!
I haven't eaten now though.
No, buzz. Are we going to go for like food?
I could eat
I
like
really
a
want
bacon
beans.
sandwich or something.
Oh, you look like a scruffworth. Ask us if we just did 2 nights in a row, because we did. Your label's inside out. Yum. Corn sausages and oh, what a funny combo.